Yes. Finally. We've been waiting for this for the longest time. First, the major good thing is it's an OEM twin turbo wing. As you guys know, I'm gonna stop saying it. This car's twin turboed. Previous owner took everything out that made it look like a twin turbo, but I kind of like the OEM style of the wing, so I got it. Bad thing about the wing, it's pretty beat up. It's used. These wings brand new cost like $400–500. I got this for a really good price. I'm gonna stop playing with the blade. So there's definitely a few scuffs of being used, but that's totally fine because as you guys know, we're painting the car, so it doesn't really matter. This is the original white, pearl white that the 300 used to come with. That's really cool. Sadly, that's not the color we're going with. But yeah, the biggest thing that it has, so you can see right here, it's got a crack right there. And I mean, it's just kind of bad on this side. I mean, this can be fixed with Bondo. Obviously, we're gonna go ahead and fix this, smooth it and everything up before it goes in for paint. This side is absolutely perfect though, but that side kind of bad. So the cool thing about this wing is it actually, this is not gonna exist anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And this is the other third brake light that it comes with. It's just super cool. Is that a key? I don't even know. But I'm gonna see if I can take this third brake light off right now real quick, so I can at least mount it onto the car. But a 300 does not look how it should without a wing. I mean, it does look clean, but the back looks kind of plain, bro. I don't know, it needs something. It needs bigger exhaust tips. They're coming. Needs a nice wing and maybe a diffuser at Street Arrow. Let me know. Alright, so far from what I'm seeing, there's like a 10 mil, I think they are, on each side right here. And I hope that's not everything that's holding it, but as of now, that's special guest is here. What's good, bro?
Stop hating.
So here's the wing. What do you think? It's super simple and OEM.
No, I like it. I like simple.
Yeah, see, it's simple. It's gonna make the rear end look a lot better. Anyways,
Sporty.
Brian's here. He's gonna help us out. I think we're gonna install it, not sure. Right now I'm trying to take off this third brake light because it replaces everything, so I can at least mock it up and see how it looks like. And it's off. This wasn't even, look, this is all cracked. That's bad, dude. Is it cracked? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Completely cracked right there. Because, I mean, there's a hatch for the twin turbo model. So, let's see. Bro, this looks so much better, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Especially from like down here, you can really see, like from the side as well. Yeah.
From the back.
Oh, let me see from the back.
Back is the best.
Bruh, yes. Alright, first, before we get any further into this video, I gotta share something with you guys. I have an addiction. First it was Fortnite, then it was, well, first it was League of Legends, then it was Fortnite, and now it is today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. I have never in my life wanted to play a mobile game so much. This game is an RPG. I grew up playing World of Warcraft and games like that, and playing this just gave me that sort of like that same feeling. Maybe that's why I'm addicted. You get a variety of game modes. You got PvP. If you're not into PvP, you can go into campaign. You can do dungeons, get gear, play with different heroes, download armor, do tournaments as you just saw. Let me go over here and show you guys. That's my name, Real Danny Z. I'm pretty sure you can PvP against me. That's player versus player. Bro, if you want the smoke, link in the description. Download the game completely free. play me. And as you guys can see, the graphics are absolutely great. This is such a cool mobile game. Take it from me, someone that I've been playing video games my whole life. If you guys think I love cars, video games is like a next level of addiction. So you can see campaign, dungeon, faction wars, arena, and then if you go here, right now I'm still on the second storyline, currently level 6. These are some of the, let me show right here, champions. There's like different champions. This is by far my favorite one, level 4 Gallic, I think you call him. But yeah, huge shout out to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video, guys. Go ahead, check them out. Great game. I wouldn't talk about something I didn't actually enjoy. Download is completely free. Add me if you, like I said, if you want me to beat you. Probably am. The more you guys support the sponsors, the more we can do on this channel. Like, it's that simple. I'm serious. It's not just for me. Everything goes back into the channel. So I'm actually gonna go play right now. One boat here, another one here. I think there's like a couple too that we can get through here. The only problem we would have is, let's put it down a little bit. Here, there's like these clamps right here that would go onto the hatch. There's supposed to be a hole right there. Owner obviously took it out. And then on the, then here as well. And then I think another one on that side. But these things have to go into the hatch.
Or worst case scenario, those come off, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, I would need the little plastic thing that this goes onto.
Oh, okay.
I would need, drilling the hole's fine. I just don't know if I have the plastic thing that would go onto.
You're actually gonna drill it.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine, bro. We're either gonna go ahead, buy what the clips would clip onto after we drill the trunk, or as you guys know, I'm gonna have to take it out either way to paint the car. So we might actually take out those clips, 3M each of both of the sides for now, and then actually do it right when I'm actually gonna paint the car. So yeah. Oh, dude. Let's go back. Oh, look at the mirrors. Brian, how's your Beamer, Brian?
Never been better.
Never been better? Guys, Brian has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to this guy. Link in the description. You're uploading more right now, right?
Yes.
So if you have a Beamer, go subscribe to him. So they didn't have the clips. We bought the 3M tape. We're gonna 3M tape the fronts for now. I'm gonna show you guys when I get there. When I get home, we're heading there right now. But we have to take the wing off either way again. So we're just gonna 3M it for now. There we go. Okay, so the only things we have to 3M is we're gonna have to take out this clip, which should be pretty simple. Slide it out, take it out. 3M like this side right here, this here, same with that side, and we're gonna have this bolt, these two right here, and that one on that side holding it. So I mean, it's not that bad, so we should be fine. We gotta go ahead and clean this so the surface is clean. This, I'm guessing this goes into the hatch. And what I need is the piece that goes into the hatch that this would go onto, if that makes any sense. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below, but yeah. I already took it out. Was it simple? I mean, was pretty simple. Thank God we didn't break it. Are all of them sticking out?
Yep.
Is that it? Recording, but we just plugged in the brake pedal, or not the brake pedal, the brake connector, and yeah, look how sick that looks for this car. Oh my gosh! All right, that's good. Yes. As you guys can see, that brake lead is bad. Thankfully, I have another bolt from when I fixed this one. We're gonna swap that out. We already got the bolts up there. There we go. Bro, that is so raw, dude. Look at this booty. Bruh, this just went from a 9 to a straight 10. I bought that 10 mil. I just feel so in love with it. Like, I hope you guys are enjoying or enjoy the 300 content. If you haven't, I have a full playlist on everything that we've done to the car so far. Check it out. Show the same amount of love you show the 370 to the 300, because like, it's the baby sister. She's got to. All right, so now we're in the part of the video where I'm announcing the giveaway. Last week I said Tuesday was your deadline to enter the giveaway for the intake filters or a prize of your choice. Today's Tuesday, so we're gonna pick the winner. So here I literally just went online, typed in comment picker, and then I just picked the first one. So I'm gonna copy the video URL. I think that's what you do. You go on here, then you type in paste, filter duplicate users, get you 2 comments, 300, 400, 483 comments. We're gonna pick a winner. Ah! Yes, Jared! Jared is the winner. The IG is jared.jpg. Alright. Jared.jpg. I think I'm just gonna message him. Calling him will be kind of weird. What if some random guy just calls you? That'd be weird, right, Brian?
Nah.
Alright, can you see? You won the giveaway. Whoop whoop.
Wait, hold on. It's focusing. Maybe.
Did you get that, Brian?
It's not focusing.
Did you get? There we go.
There we
Come
go.
on, Brian, bro.
It's not focusing, bro.
All right, that's the giveaway winner, though. Oh, he just saw the message. Wait, let's see what he says. See what he says. I'm gonna send him a selfie, dude.
Gonna be like, what, we win?
No, I'm not gonna send this. That's weird.
Send me a selfie.
Hurry up, Jared. Oh, he said no way.
Send him a
Yes
selfie, bro.
way. I'm gonna ask what he wants. Congrats to Jared. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Damn, that looks good. It just made the rear end look insane. With that said, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Be sure to smash that like. Can we hit 500 likes on this video right now? If you haven't liked the video already, go ahead and like it. And I feel like the thing I love the most is how it looks from the rear. Like, it looks so aggressive, man. It looks like a true Japanese legend. Alright, peace out, boys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with like a lot of your friends and all that. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching.